Flax, Linum usitatissimum, is a versatile and ancient plant, renowned for its nutritional, medicinal, and industrial applications. Historically cultivated for its fibers and seeds, flax has been integral to human civilizations for thousands of years. Modern herbalists and researchers alike value flax for its rich profile of bioactive compounds, particularly its lignans, omega-3 fatty acids, and mucilage. These constituents make flax a powerful ally in addressing a wide range of health conditions, from hormonal imbalances to inflammatory diseases. Flax's energetics are cooling, moistening, and nourishing. Locations, growth, and habitat. Flax is a temperate plant native to the Middle East, but has been naturalized worldwide. It thrives in well-drained soils with moderate rainfall and plenty of sunlight, making it common in both commercial agricultural settings and smaller herbal gardens. Flax typically grows to a height of 2 to 4 feet, producing slender stems, narrow lanceolate leaves, and delicate blue flowers. The seed capsules contain the glossy brown or golden seeds prized for their therapeutic properties. Harvesting flax is generally harvested when the seed pods mature, typically 90 to 120 days after planting. For medicinal and culinary purposes, seeds are collected and dried to preserve their oils and bioactive compounds. Care must be taken to ensure proper drying and storage to prevent rancidity. The fibers of flax stems are also harvested for linen production, but are less relevant for medicinal use. Toxic lookalikes. Flax does not have toxic lookalikes. However, care should be taken not to confuse it with other wild plants that produce similar-looking seeds, as these may lack flax's medicinal properties. Always source flax from reputable suppliers or ensure positive identification in the field. Edible parts and uses. Seeds. The seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, containing high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. They are used in baking, smoothies, cereals, and as a thickening agent in cooking. The mucilage content makes them ideal for creating herbal teas or porridges that soothe the digestive tract. Seed oil. Flaxseed oil, extracted through cold pressing, is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid. It is used in salad dressings, smoothies, or taken directly as a dietary supplement to support heart and brain health. Medicinal parts and uses. Cardiovascular health, cholesterol control. Flax seeds contain soluble fiber and lignans, which help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while maintaining HDL, good cholesterol. Regular consumption supports overall heart health and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. Autoimmune conditions. Immune regulation. Flax compounds modulate immune responses, making it valuable for autoimmune diseases. Lignans and omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, providing relief in conditions such as lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Hormonal influence. Phytoestrogens in flax help balance hormone levels, mitigating the effects of hormone-driven autoimmune conditions. Inflammation and neuroprotection. Inflammation modulation. Flax's anti-inflammatory properties benefit individuals with chronic inflammatory diseases, including arthritis and multiple sclerosis. Neuroprotection. The antioxidant profile and omega-3 content support brain health, protecting against neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. Respiratory health. Acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS. Flaxseed oil has shown promise in supporting lung function and reducing inflammation in ARDS. It also alleviates coughs, sore throats, and congestion. Digestive health. Constipation relief. Flaxseed's mucilage and soluble fiber provide a natural laxative effect, soothing the digestive tract and promoting regular bowel movements. Skin and topical applications. Wound healing. Flaxseed oil and poultices are effective for treating burns, boils, abscesses, and acne. Herpes and other skin conditions. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties support healing in herpes outbreaks and other skin irritations. Hormonal skin issues. Lignans balance hormone levels, reducing skin issues linked to hormonal imbalances. Cancer prevention and support. Breast and prostate cancer. Lignans have demonstrated protective effects against hormone-sensitive cancers. They help lower PSA levels and reduce breast cancer risk. Complementary treatment. Flax may complement conventional treatments by modulating hormone levels and reducing tumor-promoting inflammation. Cautions: rancidity risk. Ground or powdered flaxseed can oxidize quickly, becoming rancid. Store seeds whole and grind them just before use to preserve their nutritional and medicinal value. Oxalates and phytic acid. Flax seeds contain small amounts of these compounds, which can inhibit mineral absorption. This is usually not a concern with moderate use. Drug interactions. High doses of flax may interact with blood thinners or medications for hormone-sensitive conditions. Consult a healthcare provider before use. Flax, Linum usitatissimum, remains a cornerstone in both traditional and modern herbal practices. Its versatility as a food, medicine, and supplement ensures its enduring place in holistic healthcare, offering profound benefits for the heart, skin, digestion, and more. With proper identification, preparation, and use, flax can be a valuable addition to any herbalist's repertoire.